Okay, welcome back. I'm always suspicious that these two multiply for this, so it sure makes our life easier when they do. Okay, and so 1 times 5 is 5, but there's 10 and there's 1. I need the negative here and the positive there. So yeah, those two factors make this. So I just want to multiply through by the factored denominator. Because right here I'm going to get 2 because these two would take those two out. Right here I'm going to get a y minus 1 and a y minus 5. We'll have to deal with that in a minute. And down here I'm going to get a 2 and a 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's come over here and distribute 4x plus 2 plus y squared, negative 6y and plus 5 on that. Multiply this however you need to. There's negative 5y, there's negative 1y, that's negative 6y. Negative 1 times negative 5 and y squared. Okay, and I wrote an x right there. It's supposed to be a y. So I get y squared minus 2y plus 7 equals 2. Let's subtract 2. Y squared minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Okay, so this looks suspiciously like it won't give us anything. Okay, so let's try it right here. I want to know where this is equal to 0. Well, what if it never touches the axis? Let's see if we ever cross. Oh, look, we don't ever cross. So that trinomial right there only has an imaginary root. So there's no solution to this problem at all. There is not a y I can put in there that will work. So I got to say no solution. The way I knew that was, I graphed this trinomial. Look, it never intersects the x-axis, hence there's no 0. So this thing doesn't have a 0. If it doesn't have a 0, there's no solution to the entire problem. It's a little tricky right there. On the no solution one, we'll return.